Let's spend a lesson cut copying and pasting shapes and also deleting shapes. Again, fairly basic skills, but crucial skills, critical skills. We're not going to be able to build much more of our skill set unless we know how to quickly select things, move them around, and cut, copy, paste, and duplicate where needed. So I'll get started here by just getting rid of a few of the shapes here. Let's select these shapes, and I'll just do the Control click selection. And then to delete something, all I have to do is hit delete on the keyboard with it selected. I'll undo and show you that you don't necessarily have the same options when you do a right click. So the only way to delete something is to select and then hit the delete key on the keyboard. What you can do from your right click menu here is that you can cut, copy, and paste. And you can also do those with the keyboard shortcuts that I'm sure 99.9 if not 100% of you already know, and those keyboard shortcuts are Control C for copy, Control X for cut, and Control V for paste. So if I wanted to copy those two objects, I could do Control C and then click and Control V and paste those objects. Now where cut, copy, paste probably comes in the most handy is not within a particular page of your drawing, but between pages of your drawing. So in other words here, if I add another page and then do Control V, or I'll undo, right click, and paste, Control V. So now I've pasted those two items that I had selected and copied to my keyboard. And I did that, of course, as you can see, between pages. There's page 1, and there is page 2. Now another technique I can use as I make a selection here, well, I don't want the lasso tool really, do I? I want the area select tool. So as I select all of these and then decide to get rid of them, I'll just drag a hexagon onto my diagram. And let's say that I want 4 hexagons and I want them very quickly. Now of course I could copy them and then make several pastes. Or what I could do is I could duplicate this item that I've just drawn. And a duplicate just creates a quick little carbon copy of whatever is selected. So it just saves a step. So if I want to do that, I just do Control D for duplicate 1, 2, 3 times, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hexagons here in my diagram. So once again, notice that the duplicate is not available from the right-click menu. And it is very handy in that it saves me a step if I have some shapes in my diagram, and rather than copying and then pasting each and every time, I can just select something, Control D, select, Control D, and I have multiple diagrams or multiple shapes in my diagram just by duplicating what's already there.